Hi everyone, welcome back to WiseWebLearn. If you're excited about the latest in AI and technology, you're in for a treat. Today we're exploring the best deepfake software of 2024. Whether you're a researcher, a content creator, or just someone who loves tech, these tools are sure to impress. Let's dive into the top 5 AI face swapping tools you need to know about. 1. DeepFaceLab. First up is DeepFaceLab. Widely regarded as one of the best deepfake tools available, DeepFaceLab is a favorite among researchers and enthusiasts for creating high-quality face swaps and other deepfake effects. It offers extensive customization and supports popular deep learning frameworks like, best of all, it's free to use. 2. FaceApp. Next, we have FaceApp. This popular mobile app is known for its realistic photo transformations, including aging effects, gender swaps, and more. It's incredibly user-friendly and provides instant results, making it a favorite for casual users. FaceApp is ideal for mobile users looking for quick and fun photo edits. 3. Reface. Reface allows users to swap faces in photos, videos, and GIFs with impressive accuracy. Known for its humorous and engaging content, it's a popular choice for creating memes and fun videos. Best for creating funny videos and AI avatars. 4. Avatarify. Avatarify enables real-time video transformation, allowing you to animate your face as celebrities or fictional characters. It's particularly useful for video calls and live streaming, where you can superimpose a mask onto your face that moves with your expressions. Avatarify is the go-to tool for real-time video call transformations. 5. Synthesia. Last we have Synthesia. Designed for creating AI-generated videos, Synthesia is ideal for corporate training, marketing, and educational content. It supports multiple languages and offers high-quality, professional-grade video outputs. Synthesia is perfect for those looking to create professional-grade AI-generated videos. These are the top 5 deepfake tools of 2024 that are making waves in the AI community. Whether you're looking to create fun content or dive into serious research, there's a tool here for you. Links to all the recommended tools are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to WiseWebLearn for more tech insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.